Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go.
So hello, welcome to a video of my Ford truck and Roadmaster Active Suspension products. We're going to be installing these today on my 2021 F150 with a beat up back bumper. And yeah, you know, just see how this goes. Looks like quality products to me. I've read the instructions, got a fair idea of what's got to go on here. I'm gonna get the MADRAMPS first and put on here and show a before picture with my quad on it, and then I will show a after. It's supposed to keep the squat out of it, so I'm gonna go ahead and get the MADRAMPS set up, get them on, then we're gonna go ahead and do the install of these products. So folks, got the MADRAMPS on. I've had these now 2.5 years and they're holding up well. A little bit of minor rusting and stuff, but that's just from the south here in Newfoundland on the road, so I've been using the winter time. Got the old Grizzly on. She's in need of some love. I don't know if you can see, but in here we have a broken frame right here. So I'm going to be removing the gas tank and the fenders and everything on the back and getting that welded up and fixed. So yeah, here we go. This is what I wanted to show you. This is my truck right now with no Roadmaster Active Suspension in it. You can see that she's squatting the back. I'm going to do a little measurement here now just to get some numbers for you guys. Pretty squat actually, but looks like, you know, with the Grizzly's probably about 1,000 pounds now with all the stuff I got on it, bumpers and full of gas, you know, rag kit, everything else, 28-inch tires, rims, so you know it's about 1,000 pounds. So, and plus the MADRAMPS, I don't know what the weight of those are, but they're heavy because they need to be heavy. So this is what I got. We're gonna, like I said, take some measurements now. The front, this is perfectly level ground. I'll come back up here once I have this done and do the exact same picture for you guys, and we'll go from there. So I'm gonna measure it here now. In the front, I'm reading about 7.5 on the front wheel well right now. That's for my quad and stuff in the back. And back here, from tire to fender, getting about 6.5, 6 3/4. So I got almost an inch of squat from having my quad and MADRAMPS on the back of the truck. So again, we're gonna go install Roadmaster Active Suspension now, and we'll come right back up here after and get some more accurate tests, and I'll do some more measurements and we'll see where we're at. So got the tire unbolted here now, and we're gonna take it on the rim, and we're gonna put it down here. So my blank slate with those things right here. Gotta do the bump stop supports first, and yeah, I'm gonna put it in here. So I'm gonna read the instructions now and do a little time-lapse video for you guys. So that's bump stop spacer installed. I guess they're pertinent to this operation for some reason, but yeah, anyways, I just had to take out the existing bump stop bolt, put the new bolt up through into your chassis, put the existing one down through, bolt it all together. It worked out pretty simple actually. Okay, so I have this side done. So again, like I showed you, the bump stop spacer, and this is a Roadmaster Active Suspension products. It's installed. So it goes under the leaf pack, right there, adjusted accordingly. Here, I went with the white disc, which is for 25% low carrying capacity, extra and improved handling. I gave it 3 turns above the white, so not quite up to the 2mm discs. I don't think I need that much. I'm only hauling the bike here and there and a bit of, you know, yard stuff every now and then. So but yeah, that's where it goes, up there. It goes here. And, like I said, put the other side on now. It should be a bit quicker. You know what I'm doing. Throw the bike back on, see what happens. So stay tuned. So for the tensioning part, I'm going to try to set the video up here on not time lapse and see if I can't show you guys what that's about. Basically, you're just going to put a 14mm wrench on here. You leave these nuts where they're at here, and you put a 15/16 wrench up here. You're going to turn this down here so it tensions the spring, which will set the difference in here what you want, which again, I used the 1mm disc, which is the white one. So you really just tension it till you get enough to fit that between there, between the coils. I'm gonna try to set this up there now and see if I can show you guys how it's done. First of all, I'm just going to take some of the slack out of it here by hand screwing the spring back up. So I wanted to get it to fit under the leaf properly where it needs to go. So basically I have that hand tight now. It's under the leaf here where it has to go. So now I'm going to go ahead and take my 14 and my 15/16 and tighten it up until I get the tension that I want. I'm starting to see some gap there now. I'm going to do a little check. So I got about 1mm there, so yeah, you know what? This is what I want, you know? So, see how that disc put between it? Fits between the coils? That's what I'm looking for. So, yeah, there we go. Just as simple as that. All you do now is tighten these nuts down to the top, jam them, and that product is installed. So, I have my Roadmaster Active Suspension products installed in my Ford F150 2021. I have my 2017 Grizzly on the back here, on my MADRAMPS. I just drove up the road a little ways, and I do already feel the difference in the handling of the weight, that's for sure. As you can see here, the tire wheel gap between the fenders is basically the same now. I measured just a minute ago. I'm pretty much the same measurement now. Actually, I was down 1.5 inches in the back first, but it's basically the same. I'll measure that again now so I can show you guys. So here's my product in here. They're you know, doing what they're supposed to, springing. So hey Pre. Yeah, so we got what do we got here now? Let's get this. So I'm basically at 7 inches there now. Back here I'm actually at 7.25. 7.5 up to the top of the tire. So, you know, they're doing what they're supposed to. The truck is not down. It's working. I'm gonna be interested in some reviews on empty, but as of right now, I'm impressed, and I've had them set at 25% load carrying capacity and improved handling setting, which is about 3 turns more than the 1mm disc they sent. Anyways, folks, I'll be doing some on-the-road reviews, and the GoPro died there. I'll be doing some on-the-road reviews coming up, just to let you know how I really think about these things. Like I said, they seem to be doing what they're supposed to already. I'm impressed that I don't have that California squat going on here now with all this weight right on the tail. Anyways, thanks again to Roadmaster Active Suspension products for the great hookup. I'll be sure to be letting you all know how I feel. So if you want to like, comment, subscribe on this video to our off-road Dan page, that'd be great. We've been a little bit busy lately with life and everything else, but Dan's build is on way, and you know, we're getting things done. Anyways, we'll see you on the next one.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yeah, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave.